Hi, and welcome to Two Tired Teachers. I have just replaced both the kitchen and bathroom faucets in our RV. And I did that because we had left a water filter on our kitchen faucet, and it actually tore the threads on it, so that one had to be replaced. This is the old bathroom one, and it looked really old and grungy, so decided while I was doing it to go on and get both of them replaced. And the process is very simple. I will show you as much as I can, but based on where it's located, it's just really hard to see anything or to film anything. So here's what we need to do, and that is shut off all water. Make sure your water pump is turned off and make sure you're not connected to fresh water supply. And then there is a piece that tightens to hold this in place. And actually, if you loosen that a little bit at first, especially in the kitchen, you can then kind of move it around, which gives you a little bit better angle. But as soon as that's loose and you have it where you can undo the, when you turn off the water, go on and open all of the faucets to let the water pressure diminish. Have some rags handy because there's still going to be some water in those lines unless you've blown them out. And then unscrew the water, and the water simply connects to the bottom here. Just unscrew that on both the hot water side, the cold water side. Then unscrew this piece that's holding it on both sides. You can simply lift this off, put the new one in, and then tighten it down where it is secure in place. Now, the one in the kitchen tightened down just beautifully and everything was great. I had tried to put some plumber's tape on this as I put it back on. The ones I put on have actual metal connectors, but they're plastic connections that are going on that. And the two where for one thing, it's almost impossible because of where they're located, trying to get that to lay down flat. And honestly, I had leaks on the ones that I've tried to get that plumber's tape on, so I just took it off. Everything is hand tightened. You really don't need any tools to do this job. So it's four things that you unscrew, 4 things that you rescrew on the kitchen one and the bathroom. It was on ours. Now, I did buy the faucets at a Home Depot. Because these are in an RV, I knew there was a chance that there would be a strange connection, and that way if it didn't work, I could return it. So mine, it was just, I went to Home Depot, just the regular home kitchen faucet, bathroom faucet, and I will tell you that in ours, we just have it didn't need the little part that went down the middle, but this had a little plug. I was able to pull it out, put it in the new one, and we are so pleased. I've checked it, and when you're doing this, be sure you check it with water pressure on, then with the hot water heater, with whatever it is you're going to be using. Keep it where you can go back and make sure that everything is nice and dry. Doesn't need to be tightened anymore. But it really was. This one took not very long. But anyway, it's just awkward, trying to get at these things. Even in a house it would be, but especially in an RV, it's such a confined space. But it wasn't hard to do at all. And if you have issues with yours, hope this video can help. Thanks for watching Two Tired Teachers here in beautiful southern Wyoming.